My 2018 world record 9-second Audi SUV is absolutely class. And I spent the last 2 years absolutely pushing the limits of this platform to a point where a few minor accidents and time itself has taken the toll on this car. What is going on with your car here? Because this thing is a collapse. So can you please explain to me how you've been driving this for the last year and a half? And to make matters even worse, the paint on our rims has been absolutely chipped off. Our fender trim is literally about to tear off. Our front bumper has 2 divots and is completely basically smashed in. And to make matters even worse, my carbon fiber hood came off. I had to put my OEM one on and it's completely sticking up and off the car. And this side is even worse. Take a look at these rims. Almost both of them are completely gone with the factory paint from Ford Star, and the time is long overdue. Now that I have my 9-second quarter mile, I need to actually fix this car to make it show worthy again, just the same way when I bought it. But today we're gonna start with the most obvious one.
I have haters for my rims for sure.
That's all gonna change today, finally,
yes.
Thanks to 034 Motorsport, first of all, and second of all, thanks to you running over a rock. But it turned out for the better. Why is that?
Content.
Correct, exactly. Just like that, accidents happen all the time. And while this is no big deal, it's gonna leave the car parked for a couple hours on the side of the road. Car, please stay safe. All right, where is that thing? Oh, right here. Man, it just tore straight through it. Basically right into the rim. Must have been an insane rock. So now we're gonna go home and figure out what needs to happen for us to get this thing off the side of the road. The only question is, will this actually make sense to any state patrol that pulls over and sees my car? Stay safe, buddy. And the solution for my rim situation is in these boxes right here. And you guys might already guess what's in them and what they are. However, I'm gonna make my wife unpackage them and show them to you guys herself. Here's a knife. Get to unboxing. You're kind of dangerous with your knife here. So you gotta open those boxes up. That's your current task.
Yeah. Oh, do the big unreal.
All right, James.
Big
show us what it looks like. Oh, it's packaged even more.
Should I take it out or just leave it?
Ooh.
I love them.
Look how light they are. Oh my goodness.
Pretend,
how much do you think they weigh?
Like 25 pounds?
Dang, that's not too far off.
I should like James is like this weight.
James, you weigh about that much? Weight reveal on James has been exposed. Well, anyways, these rims look absolutely insane. I did not think they were that light. I have 3 more boxes to unpackage and then we'll take a look at them again. Here we have the 034 rims. They're called ZTF R01s. They're made out of 6061 aircraft grade aluminum and they're completely fully forged, which makes them incredibly lightweight for one, very durable, and thirdly, they're also very expensive. However, you get what you pay for, right? I like the fact how they have 034 engraved in here as well as forged, meaning that these rims are forged, so when you're rolling past your haters, they can clearly see that they're broke as heck and you're not. You have the nice rims. You also have ZTF R01s engraved into the rims, just showing what types of rims these are. And these small little 3 aspects, I think, add to the whole satin black design. Now, I went with satin black because I want to make sure that you don't see the brake dust, and I already had gloss black rims for quite some time now, and I love that whole black on black look. So I figured that staying with satin black instead of anthracite would definitely give me the look that I want on the SQ5. The other benefit of these 21s is the rotational mass. I want to see if I can cut a better street quarter mile time. This is basically one of the biggest things that I could possibly do. And at the end of this video, we'll find out what I can run in Mexico on a full street trim with these nice new lightweight rims on. Show that.
That's what
Mr. James, you got ice cream over the rims? But they're good, huh? Was the ice cream good? James, was the ice cream good?
Yes.
It's all right, we can clean them off. I think one of the benefits of these satin black rims is the fact that they're easily cleanable and you can't scratch them. So thanks to 034 Motorsport for providing these. Now I script all of my videos and I try to plan something out to make every single video very interesting, but this one is just gonna be on the fly and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, comment down below about what you guys think. And now let's go to Discount Tire and get some DWS 06s on these bad boys. And just like that, we're back for your rims. Where they at? I want to see how amazing they look. With every light on the dash on, no idea why, we are gonna go save this thing and put some new shoes on it. Well, now that you guys know how we got to this point, I got the driver's side laid out and we're gonna start on this side, put these bad boys on, put the other side on, and see how it all looks like together. And the best part is I can go and send these off to get them re-powder coated and either sell them or give them away to one of you guys. I guess we'll see in the future. Now, let's get these bad boys on. Yeah, you got this, I promise, I'll help you. Congratulations, babe. You got your first rim on. And oh my goodness, look at that. Compared to that, or that right there, or that thing right there. Oh my goodness. Hey, props to you. You got your first rim on. I'll do the rest. Yo, now that's a race car right there. Oh my goodness, that's low. Well, a last comparison, before I take this last one off, take a look at the rear one right there, and then take a look at the front one. Basically the difference in the stretch puts the 22s and the 21s essentially at the same height. Now these are 295s, 35s, by 21s, there's gonna be a lot more contact patch all the way across compared to those 265s, 35s by 22s. These compared to these in height are almost exactly the same, which is pretty interesting to me. We're definitely gonna have to dial the fitment in with these 21s and probably get a little bit more low. But now let's throw the last rim on and see how it looks all the way around. This thing has like a meaty Explorer ST look to it now. It's just pure meat. I'm not used to it, but man, those rims look absolutely insane. And now we got some B-roll. Roll it. To Christina for crashing this car because we all get more content and I get the opportunity to spend more money in this car for absolutely no reason. I think there's a little bit more that we can get out of it. What? Is he mad?
No, I was gonna go towards the Audi and show how clapped it is the van.
Yo, you cannot make fun of the van though. The van's an OG.